Back again, peeps. It's your boy King Jukes.
Your boy Rich Kid.
Live, you don't know, the crew is back again. You don't know, I know it's been a while. But as I can see on the title of the video, yeah, man, I gotta do some.
And the random select mode.
For cameos, you see it? That one I got weird for this.
Challenge are done by the mightiest of players. Today we shall join them.
Join them with blows and skirt. Yeah, I don't even know who I get for the random cameo select.
Here's random select cameos for if you get the wrong one. No combo.
Yeah, man, gotta help your soul, you see it? But watch out now, I go straight into the video, peeps, and hey, man.
Straight in the peeps, it's all skills.
You see me? Well, I go straight in it and you see me? Let's hope I got the on my side. So let's get into it, people. And for that.
Oh my god.
Yeah, man. Alright. See that, you know. So forward out in any string ready. You see it forward out.
I know, yeah, I think I think I know if you use Shujinko, brother. I'm just set him up, dog.
Oh, man, Shujinko, man. You see it? Yeah, Shujinko. Alright. Bruh. Oh, what that?
I don't know.
Well, no, I said do it forward out as in running my block. Sorry. Try and clear Shujinko, see there? Yeah, man, come to it.
Dead boy!
Alright.
I know Shujinko. I know Shujinko park, you know. You're parking on Shujinko. I don't know if you use him on that.
Bro, that's wrong, man.
Come here.
Man have used that, they get life on it, yeah. Call him now.
Bumbleclad. Call him. I don't want me to press up R1 for my life, dog.
Forward R1. That means when I do forward, do forward R1, yeah. Man, just now I should drink in a so man stay in that. Call him now, you know that. Ah, I don't know what that. Don't press R1, because I'm a charge. You press R1 by itself?
Yeah?
No,
forward. I press R1.
Press down or back R1.
Are you going? Shujinko, you're fired, bro.
Hold on, forward or back R1.
Forward, bro. You're going, bro. Owen, I'm fired.
Yeah, I know about
next cameo.
Alright, next time.
Next cameo.
Alright, another terms. Give you a next chance.
Next cameo. Alright, father, help me. Striker. Alright, also can do. I'm just there and just spam projector. See that?
Bruh.
But it's a fire. You see that, don't you?
Well, when I'm streaming that, so I want to get peace out of that.
This is so annoying.
Kang!
Changsung, you know.
Let's see, but I will.
See that? Yo.
Where?
You see that? Then
yeah, you have to play safe,
Final take. Action.
Your ass is mine!
Wow. Okay. In a gear come up, you get a reset. You can have nothing really shimming off on over there, nothing dog. Oh, alright.
There's some uppercut in a dog.
Scratch striker. Can grab him on this is
It whiff. You whiff sometime.
what?
Come on.
That most punishable, brother. But then don't look like that fireball with that.
Ah, you don't jump. You don't jump.
Right, dog, I did him there at the side.
It was at this moment that he knew. He
Again, we're going to the.
What? What?
Oh, see me say you did it.
51. Couldn't get him on 52. Alright. Striker. I go put up on the higher release, says he. But not yet.
Yeah, no striker just good team grenade.
Yeah, man. Say no to bomb them and I see dog of force of block. My first time I play so much and the tire come out in the arena. Them still mine off.
Yeah, but I did watch you play, man. So you know what I'm doing. I'm on a striker.
Out.
Got him!
Send me. Yeah, don't move there, you see? You see me as a low black dog. So, scratch stripe. I don't know why I did that though.
Nah, is it Fina?
Just don't get used, man. Oh, she better dead. That me I tell her.
Each time we meet, you lose.
He's got a point.
Yo, why me a duck and them still a grab me? You gonna see thing dog?
81. No bad. What up? Oh, take that boy.
Keep it standard.
Oh God, I got an One go.
One go. Serena. Serena keep though.
Liu Kang wins.
Alright, let's go.
Let me just say.
Last one to you.
One.
Yeah, boy.
Watch. Boom, father. Yes, quicker. Grandpa reflexes. Alright. Yeah. What y'all do?
Stupid!
Oh shit. I don't say I need that though. What? You mad, mate? That's how I save the bar. Where you go, boy?
6 frames standing one, he ain't going nowhere. Okay.
That one's tricky though.
Pass. Punch him. Alright.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
One jack.
Yes,
Get a blue
sir.
tag for Jackson and dog. Call him on troubles in there, brother.
Yo, look like a good reset. They do the chicken eat. Alright, you are helping with that one, yeah.
The fridge.
Oh,
The
boy.
fridge.
When they catch it down on them one day, they nice enough. Why me can't duck? The man them a grab me quicker. Alright, you know, a quick one time here. Look at that, I got straight
Dog.
Yeah, should I wait, man? Here's a jump tree. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Corner carry. Alright, hold on. Yes, sir. I can on your mud. Yeah, keep my bars them, bro.
You waste your gifts.
Take 2. Action.
Yeah, I can right now. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
You are hopeless.
Let him cook!
Eh,
Let him cook now! Let him cook! I said let him cook!
Oh, was it? The plus. Yeah, the plus. You look like it's plus.
that's how I'm a press. That's how I'm a press. I choose in I can't if I'm in screen no should I dash back dog. Fatality.
Fatality.
Yes sir.
Liu Kang wins.
So peeps, that's it for the random cameo select, you see me? Hope you enjoy the vid. Right, Rich Kid?
Yeah, man, do join again and
Yeah.
stay tuned.
And subscribe to the Jamaican Tree channel for more content. You don't know. Yo.
Blessings and guidance. Respect Father in our last prayers was answered. To get 2 cameo could I use and I appreciate it.
Yeah man, out in a peeps. Enough love.